So students, in this video we will discuss about associative law, distributive law of multiplication over addition and distributive law of multiplication over subtraction under the heading properties of multiplication of whole numbers. So what is associative law? If A, B and C are any whole numbers, then A into B within bracket into C will be equals to A into B into C. So it is called associative law. Let's have an example. It is property number 5. Associative law. It says for any whole number A, B and C, this will be equals to this. Let's have an example. Suppose 9 to 10. Okay. Now 9 into 2 into 10, it will be equals to 18 into 10, that is 180. Now if we write the same whole numbers in this manner, 9 into 2 into 10, what will be the result? It will be 9 into 20, then 2 times 9, 18, 0, 180. So this is the associative law. Okay. Coming to the next is distributive law of multiplication over addition. Distributive law of multiplication over addition. For any whole numbers A, B and C, it can be said that A into B plus C will be equals to A into B plus A into C. This is called the distributive law of multiplication over addition. So let's have an example. Suppose 2, 5 and 10. Okay. So 2 into 5 plus 10. What will be the result? 2 into 15, that is 30. Now if we write the same numbers, same whole numbers in this manner, that is 2 into 5 plus 2 into 10. 2 into 5 plus 2 into 10. What will be the result? 10 plus 20, it will be also 30. So this is the distributive law of multiplication over addition. So now the last property of multiplication of whole numbers is distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. Okay. So for any whole numbers A, B and C, A into B minus C within bracket will be equals to A into B minus A into C. It is just like the distributive law of addition. Here the sign of addition is changed by the sign of subtraction. So let's have an example to illustrate the property. Suppose we will take the same one. 2, 5 and 10. So 2 into 5 minus, sorry, it will be 15, 15 minus 10. Let's check. It will be 2 into 5, that is 10. And now if we write the same whole numbers in this manner, that is 2 into 15 minus 2 into 10. What will be the result? 15, 2 times 15, 30 minus 2 times 10, 20. It will be also 10. So this is the distributive law of multiplication over subtraction.